So today on the workbench, for a bit of a teardown, I've got a Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8-inch 2017 model. This one has the model number SM-T or SM-T385. Now this particular one, as you will soon see in the teardown, isn't as repair friendly as the 2016 model of the exact same build. Now this has double-sided tape running around it, and on the top left hand corner is where the flex connector lives. In this particular video I do damage that and tear it, but there is quite a lot of black adhesive all around the actual tablet itself, which does make it quite difficult to get in. I had it on the heat pad that you can see down here, the big blue thing, at 60 degrees Celsius. I probably should have amped that up to about 75 degrees, but being I've got a couple of these to work on, there will be a revised, or hopefully a revised version of this video. So as you see, this section here, right where I'm struggling, that's where the flex connector is, and there's also about double the amount of adhesive in that spot. So I'll let the video play for a little bit longer. I do struggle with hitting the power button. This particular one also has a cracked, I'm not sure if it's an LCD or if it's an OLED. I'm leaning towards an LCD, and I've been struggling to find parts for those at the minute. The touch panels are available quite easily, but the actual display doesn't seem to be that widespread. Anyway, I'll let this heat up for a little bit longer. So I've battled with it for a bit more, but as you'll soon see, I will get into it. Now I haven't bothered speeding this up, just so I don't give a false representation on how long it may take you to get into this. All my videos usually aren't sped up. But anyway, I'll get into this one in just a second. I've also switched to camera 2, which does give a different perspective on what I'm doing. As you can see here, I've nearly defeated it. Now the next challenge after that is trying to figure out how to get into the actual device. As you can see here, I'm trying to pry down and into it, but I found that that is not very good at all with this particular one. One method I'm going to try with another one of these down the line. I do attempt to get the LCD out just to see, or get the display out, just to see if there is actually any screws or anything holding it behind it, which I found out this particular model doesn't have any screws in it, apart from holding in the main board and a couple other smaller things. This side of it isn't screwed in. Now I found with this, the method I found to get this out was to flip it over and to apply pressure from the back, which you'll soon see. So here I'm just getting out the display. It has two strips of adhesive on the left and right hand side, and there's a flex connector which runs straight through the plastic housing of the device to plug in, which just slipped out just then, that white cable. So right now I'm just pushing the device from the back, and I am feeling a noticeable click in certain spots. I'm just working my way around to 3 different edges of it, and once I've done those, I should be able to get that out quite easily. Now you'll soon see the device getting opened up. Overall I found this, not as repairable as the older version. I'm not sure if it's due to lack of parts, but they definitely seem to have changed the design to make it less friendly. So hopefully in the future I'll have a revised version of this video with a bit more success and a bit more of a straightforward method on how to get in here. But for now, this is just a simple teardown video to hopefully give you guys a bit more of an idea on how to get into your device. And one thing I did forget, remove your SIM tray too. Anyway, catch you later.